watch the show. Come say hello at Stories in the Studio. There will be talking, singing, reading, writing, playing. I don't want to be late or miss what they are saying. Hey, let's go. It's time to watch the show. Come say hello at Stories in the Studio.
Howdy, everyone. I hope everyone is feeling happy today. Do you know what letter we are talking about today? Maybe if you help me holler really loud, the letter of the week will appear. Let's say, hurry up, letter. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hurry up, letter. Hooray! It's the letter H. The letter H makes a sound, like in the words hippo, helicopter, hiccup, and heart. Listen for the sound today during the show.
Okay, now you try.
Okay, Harry's hungry hippo, hoagie's house.
No, Beatrice. It goes like this. Harry's hungry hippo hoagie house gave horse the hiccups.
It's giving me the hiccups.
Howdy, y'all.
My.
What's happening?
Oh, I was trying to say Petey's tongue twister,
Okay.
but I had the hiccups.
That would make it hard.
Oh dear.
It isn't that hard to say. Harry's hungry hippo hoagie house gave horse the hiccups.
Oh, it is if you have the hiccups.
Petey, have you ever had the hiccups?
Well, no. Beatrice, I'm sorry I was hard on you. How does having the hiccups make you feel?
Hiccups make me feel humdrum.
Oh, is there any way we could help Beatrice get rid of the hiccups, Becca?
Well, luckily, I know tons of hiccup cures.
Wow, really?
What are some of the cures?
Well, the hardest cure that I know of is you take a pencil and you put it between your teeth, and then you take a drink of water upside down.
Oh, that sounds too hard.
It's pretty hard. The most hilarious cure that I've come across is one time I was looking online for hiccup cures, and they were so ridiculous and so hilarious that I laughed so hard, my hiccups just went away.
Whoa, did that really happen?
That's a true story, Petey.
Oh,
But, you know, the time-honored cure for hiccups is to scare the hiccups out of somebody.
I'm not sure we could even do that.
boo!
Good try, Petey. But really, you're not all that scary.
Oh,
You're my friend.
okay.
Yeah. Thanks, though.
You know what? I've got an idea. Maybe we should try the enchanted book. It might have a scary story that could help with Beatrice's hiccups.
Oh, that's good.
Good idea. Maybe we'll have a story about a haunted house.
Hey, well, let's find out and open it up, shall we?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Everywhere we look, in cranny and nook, we search high, we search low, near, far, wherever we go for the enchanted book. Okay,
I hope it's not too scary.
well, let's find out.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, here we go. Once upon a time, Hudson was afraid his hotel was haunted.
Ooh.
Hannah!
Oh, Hudson, what's going on?
I'm afraid this hotel is haunted.
Haunted? Really?
Yes, I'm scared. I keep hearing sounds, creepy sounds.
Oh, brother. It's all in your head, Hudson. Just go to sleep.
Okay, if you say so.
Yeah, okay, good night, Hudson.
Good night, Hannah.
Whoo, whoo, whoo.
Hannah!
Well, what is it now, Hudson?
Did you hear that? Who? I'm sure this hotel is haunted.
That was just a friendly old barn owl hooting. This haunting stuff is all in your head, Hudson. Just go to sleep.
Okay, I guess I'll try.
Okay, well, good night, Hudson.
Good night, Hannah.
Squeak! Squeak! Squeak!
Hannah!
Oh, what is it this time, Hudson?
Did you hear that squeak? I'm sure this hotel is haunted.
Ugh. Okay, well, see, that squeak was just my pet hedgehog. It's really all in your head, Hudson. You've got to go to sleep.
Okay, sorry to bother you, Hannah. Okay, I'll go to sleep.
Okay, good night, Hudson.
Good night, Hannah.
Okay.
Hannah! That was terrifying! Hannah!
Hudson, what now?
Did you hear that laughing? I'm sure this hotel is haunted.
That was just my friend Harriet the hyena laughing. We were just having a nice heart-to-heart, for goodness sakes. It's all in your head, Hudson. Please go to sleep.
Okay. I'll try. I'm so sorry.
Okay, good night, Hudson.
Good night, Hannah. Now don't tell me that's all in my head, too.
Nope. I have no idea what that is.
Wait, maybe this hotel is haunted.
Oh, yikes! Well, I know a nice hotel on the other side of the woods. Let's go stay there. Hurry!
Okay, but wait for me. I have smaller legs than you, Hannah. Hannah, I'm coming. Wait for me. I don't want to be in the woods by myself.
Oh, just what I needed. A nice, safe place to sleep. Oh, those woods are really haunted. The end.
That wasn't that scary.
Yeah. Oh dear, I still have my hiccups.
Well, Do you guys have any other ideas of things that we can try to scare the hiccups out of Beatrice?
Oh, we could try that magic box.
Oh, that is a great idea.
It hasn't failed us yet.
Hey, can you guys help me sing to open this up?
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Hey, magic box, what you got for us today? Is it big? Is it small? Is it loud or not at all?
We don't really care what you are, just come on out and play.
Even faster.
Hey, magic box, what you got for us today? Is it big? Is it small? Is it loud or not at all? We don't really care what you are, just come on out and play. All right, let's open this up.
What's inside?
Oh, no.
What?
There's no way this is gonna work.
Well, what is it? What is it?
I'm sorry, guys, but there is just, it just can't get rid of the hiccups. This is horrible.
I hope it's not as bad as all that.
Me too.
I have a special Halloween song I want to sing.
Sounds good to me. I'll dance.
Okay. Dracula and Frankenstein, ghosts and goblins in a line, candy in your bag and mine, zombie, zombie, duck. Jungle monsters up a vine, creepy crawlies and some slime, werewolf sneaking out to dine, zombie, zombie, duck. When there is a full moon and the sky is bright, ghosts and monsters all are out for Halloween night. Don't eat too much candy or you might get sick. Sharing it instead is the best kind of trick.
Oh, well, I like that.
But do you want to sing the last verse one more time?
Okay.
Dracula and Frankenstein, ghosts and goblins in a line, candy in your bag and mine, zombie, zombie, duck. Whoa! I saw something that time.
I told you.
Zombie, zombie, duck? It's so fluffy.
I hope it's not an actual zombie duck.
Me too.
Come on, show us what's inside the box. The suspense is getting to me.
I know.
Well, okay.
Show us.
Oh, yeah, what is it?
It's a humongous honeyed ham.
Yum.
Oh no, get it away from me,
Oh.
Oh no, ham gives me the heebie-jeebies. I don't even like being near it. Ham is horrible.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, Beatrice.
Back up, put it away.
Oh, yeah, good
She's
idea,
freaking
Petey.
out. She seems really
goodness.
scared. Beatrice.
Beatrice, it's okay. We put the ham back into the box. I had no idea that you felt such hostility for ham.
Oh, I hate ham. I'm allergic. It makes me really sick.
And apparently scared. So, Beatrice,
Yeah?
how are your hiccups now?
Oh, they're gone. Wow. I haven't had hiccups since the ham came out of the
That's
box.
great.
That's crazy.
Hooray!
Hey, that's awesome.
Now I can do Petey's tongue twister. Harry's hungry, hippo, hoagie, house, gave, horse, the hiccups.
Oh, happy day.
good job.
Okay, my turn.
Okay,
My turn.
okay.
Harry's hungry. Oh no.
Oh, Petey. Petey, now you have the hiccups.
Oh, it's your turn.
It's time to go. Thanks for stopping by the show. We learned